Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Agent Lee, and I want to share with you some analysis for XTZ, one of the custom requested analysis from a member. At Hedging.com, one of the unique features is a dynamic process where members can submit custom analysis requests of their own tokens, unlimited requests. I would encourage you to check us out. Consider becoming a member. For XTZ, we have a support line that's holding a clear trend. The key thing here is you don't want, if you're in long on this, you don't want to exit from a long-term perspective until and unless this breaks to the downside. So the key word here is as long as this yellow support holds, from a longer term, weeks to months perspective, is a hold. Or we can say, buy the dips. Buy the dips. You can see significant pattern being repeated, in this case at least 3 times. We know that here price came in to do a bit of a wedge formation like this, and then it broke to the upside. This upside from a percentage perspective gave approximately 405%. Not too shabby. Now, it happened again. Look at this. A downward wedge pattern. It broke to the upside. Note how it broke the top line resistance to give a profitable run in percentage of 425%. Cool. I see it happening again here. Another downward wedge. We have a confirmed breakout. As stated earlier, this yellow line remains a staunch support. That means if it touches it, you buy it. If it dips towards it, it's a buy the dip opportunity. And we already have this breakout. So let's say, just for the fun of it, see where a 410% would take us. That would be $10. The price objective of this pattern breakout has a $10 target. Currently it's $222. Not too shabby. Now we also have a top line being built from a pattern perspective, like so. Now this is not exactly perfect, but it's good enough to say the top line is where the affinity is going to be from where the price is right now. And it all jives to the pattern that we've just discussed, to the support line of the trend. And that means that now is likely a very good buying opportunity for XTZ. From an early wave perspective, it's clear that this is impulsive. This one was impulsive. This was impulsive as well. So we can have a potential setup of a 1-2, wave 1 here, wave 2, and that means that white 3 is in progress. So let's say that white 3 is at the $10 mark or so, approximately. So that means we're going to get 1, 2, 1, 2. So 1 of 3, 1 of 3 of 3, and so on. One nested 1-2 series. That'll take it to 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, possibly into the high teens or low 20s. 10x move potential is being, how should I say, screamed out at by the chart. At hedging.com, we do this every day. I rarely sleep. I sleep very little. Members get profit trade alerts, gold members only, or analysis on a daily basis, whether it be weekend or holidays or evenings, midday updates as well. Consider joining a growing community of traders, analysts, and investors at hedging.com. Have a good day.